Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. I'm Ian Tyson, an avid home cook, and today, with our Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix and a home air fryer, we are making bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. Here's what you'll need for today's recipe. Read your air fryer's instructions carefully, as each model is going to be different for temperature, cook time, and features. Preheat your air fryer according to its instructions. Prepare your Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix according to instructions. Thoroughly combine the cream cheese with your shredded cheddar cheese. Slice the top off your jalapenos and set them aside. You will need them later. With a butter knife, carefully hollow out and de-seed your peppers. Carefully fill the jalapenos with the cheese mixture and put the top back on. Starting with an end of your bacon, pierce through the stem and wrap lengthwise around the jalapeno. Dredge your peppers in flour. Coat them thoroughly in egg wash. Dredge them once again in flour. Dip the peppers in your Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix. Dredge one last time in dry batter mix. Lightly spray your air fryer with oil to prevent sticking. Place the peppers in your air fryer. Cook at 375 degrees for approximately 15 minutes, taking the time to flip midway. Plate and serve with a marinara or dipping sauce of your choice. These savory and spicy delights take this traditional appetizer to a whole new level. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today for these Kean's Simply Perfect batter mix air fryer recipes. Until next time, keep cooking.